Hello guys. So in this section, I'm going to be taking us on how to filter any data based on a particular column. So let's say for instance, I want to filter this particular data set based on location. Maybe I want to filter those that actually came from Lagos. So what I just need to do is that so I'm going to go to let's make use of this column F. So what I'm going to use is that I'm going to make use of the filter. So I'm going to say equals to filter. Then the range. What is the range? The range is the entire data set. I'm going to align that, comma. Then what is the condition? The condition is that I want to filter based on location. So I'm going to align the condition. So let's say, for instance, I want to filter based on people that actually came from Lagos. So I'm going to set that particular location to be equal to Lagos. So I'm going to close the bracket. So if I want it now, it's going to filter based on Lagos. So can you see it now? So I just need to give it the name, the title, which is I think this is the salary, and whereas this is the location. So you can see that it's actually successful. But what if you actually have, like the reason why I could do this is because like I don't really have much data set. So let's say for instance you actually want to filter based on each variables there, like Lagos. You want to have the unique value first. So what we can just do is that we can just get the unique value. So let me just clear what I'm having here. So let's get the unique value first for this location. How do I get that? I just need to say equals to unique. Then I'm going to highlight that location. Don't include this particular one. So if I run it now, it's going to give you all the unique value for that location. Then now let's say for instance, I want to filter for Lagos for this particular first cell here. So what I'm going to do basically is that I'm going to call on the filter once again. I'm going to highlight all the data sets. That's number one. So I can decide, let me try to highlight it from here. I think that's much better. So what is the condition? The condition is this column, the location column, where it is equals to what? Equals to Lagos. So if I run it now, you see that everything is filtered for Lagos. So you can see that this is the formula. Everything is filtered for Lagos. So if I actually want to get for Yola, let's say I want to put Yola down here, I just need to copy the same formula, put it here. Then what I just need to do is that is just to edit that particular formula. You can see that um, the cell actually starts from like A2. So I need to adjust it to A2. That's why it's actually good to lock your cell whenever you are working with it. A2 to where? A2 to that is C6. Then this particular one actually starts from C2 to C6. So you can actually make use of the F4 to actually lock it to C6 as well. C6. Then where it is equals to what? Sorry. So where it is equals to that is F2 for Euler. So let me try to see if I can lock it because I'm using Google Sheet. So just hold the Fn and press F4. It's going to lock it. So also this as well. I'm going to lock this. So if I run it now, we are going to okay. I think I'm still working with Lagos. So that Euler should be FTV. So if I run it now, it's going to give me people from Euler. They actually want to get people from Abuja. I just need to copy the same formula. Let's put it here. Then what I just need to do there, so let me just press enter. Sorry. I just need to copy the same formula, put it here. So what I just need to do is that I need to modify the formula, which is the last element there, the last option, which is the F6. I'm going to put it in Abuja, which is going to be F. That should be F4, if I'm right. So if I run it now, you can see that I was able to get people from an Abuja. So what I did there basically was that I actually set this particular column to be equals to what? F4. And what is in F4? Abuja. And if actually like if it's kind of complex, you can just try to type it manually by putting Abuja there. So you are still going to get the same result. And for this, if it's kind of difficult, you can just come down here and put Eula there. So it's going to give you the result for Eula. So this is basically, so this is Lagos. So this is Yola, and finally this is Abuja. So thank you so much, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.